Hi guys, so now we're gonna I just fidget traded and I'm now gonna show you guys what I got. Well, it's not that good and not that bad. Well, it's actually really good to me. But let's see what I got. Come on. So, let me show you. These are my fidgets without the trade. Now, so the fidgets that we have traded today is this green apple, very nice, kind of like cube thing. It's really nice and really cool. You can solve it also. And now we have, okay, let's move this on the side. We have this keyboard. Even though one was replaced, well, it can still make sounds. Look. Yeah, it says KO. And then next we have, wait. Before you continue the video, please like if you want one of the fidgets. Alright, next we have this pop tube. It is really nice and cool. Really, really nice. And we have this Furby. It has Orbeez, but the Orbeez are crushed. Hey, it looks like it's vomiting anyways. I like it. Okay, now, I'll be rating them. Now, let's rate them. This Orbeez, I would rate it an 8 because the Orbeez are crushed. Alright? 8. But look at, it's not that bad. 8.5. This one is a total 9.5. Only if this one was replaced, then I would give it a total 10. Now, we have this pop tube. Of course I'll give it a 9 because I love pop tubes, bro. Next, we have this green apple, which is a straight up 10 because it also can be a fidget spinner. Like, whoa. So actual cool, right? I know. Alright, now, in the next video, I will be having to count all my fidgets together. And if I have more than 20, I'm going to give myself a little high five and a big prize. Thank you everyone for